Hello friends, welcome to Abhiyanvi Tutorials. So today in this video we'll see a cool Excel trick where we have to copy values in a column. Okay. For example, I have a column here, one, two, let's say so many rows up to let's say here. Okay. So 2389. Okay. So I want to calculate the average of these values. Okay, then type the formula average. Okay, then we have to select each cell like this, right? And up to 3000 or 2400 rows. Okay, which is a tedious process. So we have a Excel trick where you can do like, for example, okay, equal to average. Okay, then select the first cell of the column. Okay, then you have to do, okay, here let's select, I will write the command here. So you have to do control, okay, plus shift, okay, plus down arrow. Okay, so this you have to do. Then let's see what happens. Okay, control, select this column here, first cell here, and put control shift and down. So it will select column in the entire values in the column. Then press enter. Then you will get the average value here, 1195. Okay, so but this trick will fail when you have some blanks here. Okay, for example, I have blank here, I have blank here. Okay, I have blank here. Okay, then what happens? Let's see. By clicking control shift down, so select average. Okay, then select first cell, then do control shift down, then it will select the range of values till the non-blank. Okay, till the blank cell occurs. It will select only the values till the blank cell occurs. It won't select the entire column. Okay, wherever values are there, entire column it won't select. So to do this, we have one more trick. Okay, that is nothing but, okay, let's select our pen and I'll write here. Okay, that is control, okay, plus shift plus end. Okay, so let's apply this trick and see. Okay, let's come here, go to cell average formula here. Okay, select, write average. Okay, then select the cell here and do the control shift end, control shift and end. So it has selected all values wherever the values are present in the Excel sheet. Everything, all range it will select with the rows and columns, because we have written something here and we have, okay, so we have average formula here. So everything it will select. So what we have to do is control shift left arrow you have to do. Okay, control shift left arrow. So control shift left arrow, then it will go to our values again like this. Okay, then you can calculate average with blanks also like this. Okay guys, so whenever it is selecting entire range, okay, what we have to do is control shift plus left arrow. Okay, then it will come to our values column again. Okay guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhiyanvi Tutorials for more such amazing Excel tricks. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.